Scientists have been sounding the alarm for years now about climate change. Now, a company here in New Mexico is employing artificial intelligence and open source data to combat the rising levels of methane in the atmosphere. News 13's Chad Brummett has more.
Data shows that June, July, and August were the warmest on record globally.
A small town in Siberia likely hit the hottest temperature ever recorded in the Arctic,
making LA feel more like Death Valley.
It's no secret that the weather is getting more extreme.
I get this, the month of May was the hottest on record in the contiguous United States.
And scientists are pointing to global warming as a major factor in the uptick, particularly the rapid increase of methane in the atmosphere.
Its concentration is actually rapidly rising, so it's getting worse. Its share of global warming is increasing.
According to NASA, methane is the second largest contributor to global warming and is responsible for roughly a third of global warming to date. And roughly 60% of that methane is created by human-controlled activity, which includes agriculture, fossil fuels, and decomposition in public landfills. Not to mention, it's a source of energy.
Actually, global warming itself, for example, can accelerate thawing of the permafrost, and the thawing of the permafrost is also a source of methane.
Dr. Bertrand Roulet-Ledoux, who has worked with Los Alamos National Lab, says that methane can stay in the atmosphere for up to a decade. And while that may sound like a long time, it's a fraction of how long CO2 levels can remain high.
So basically, if we want to see some effects with respect to warming in our lifetimes, well, actually, reducing methane emissions is more or less the only option that we have to see something in our lifetimes.
A big part of reducing methane emissions is detecting methane emissions. And since the gas is invisible, the challenge is even greater. But Dr. Roulet-Ledoux says that artificial intelligence and satellite imagery may hold the key to global surveillance.
Using AI, we're able to actually accurately pinpoint methane sources every few days, everywhere on the planet.
Dr. Ledoux is co-founder of GeoLabe, a startup that developed out of working with fellow Lannel scientist Dr. Claudia Hulbert. Ledoux has worked for more than 7 years on artificial intelligence using open source data. He found that the satellite information through NASA and the European Space Agency was highly effective in teaching his software how to spot anomalies, like methane emissions.
We take general purpose satellite data that was not designed for methane detection, and using AI, we basically enhance the methane signal in those general purpose data, and we reach similar detection capabilities as satellites that are dedicated for methane.
With funding through NASA and the Department of Energy, GeoLabe has been able to establish themselves as a potential solution to a global problem. By using data from a network of satellites already in orbit, they can not only help in the reduction of methane, but they are also reducing the cost of creating an observation network in the first place.
There's basically no system that enables to find methane everywhere, every few days, and in a scalable and inexpensive, basically, manner.
With GeoLabe's ultimate goal of helping to bring the temperature down on a planet that continues to heat up. Chad Brummett, KRQE News 13.
GeoLabe is actively seeking partners with their work in both the public and the private sectors.